Hello viewers, you're welcome to my page. In today's tutorial today we are going to be solving this particular problem on this board. Before the commencement of this class, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you have not followed my Facebook page, kindly do that so that you can get more of my amazing classes. So therefore I would like you to listen attentively, stay focused, and see what we are going to do here. So we are going to be considering three cases here. So I would like to start from case 1. So the case 1, if 6 minus s equals to 1, then RHS equals to 1. Are you getting it now? So let's say we have this base here. The base, we have 6 minus x here. So therefore, if we replace this 6 minus x by 1, we are going to be having 1 to power x squared plus 7s plus 12. And it's going to give us what? It's going to give us 1. That is 1 raised to power n. It's going to give us 1. That is 1 raised to power any number. So we are going to be having what? 1. So we can see that it's satisfied. So therefore, we can have 6 we can have 6 minus x equals to 1. Then this is going to be x to be equals to 6 minus 1, and x is going to be what? X is going to be 5. So we have what? The first possible value to be what? To be x equals to what? Equals to 5. So therefore, we consider the second case. Considering the case 2, we can see that if 6 minus x equals to 1, that is, if you replace this 6 minus x, that is the base, to be equals to minus 1, you can see that then it means the power x squared plus 7s plus 12 that is here is even number. That is, we have this fact that when you have minus 1 raised to power n, and this our n is what? Is even. So it means we are going to be having what? Positive. Are you getting it? And what positive are you getting? We are going to be having positive what? Positive 1. Are you getting it now? So therefore, we can have the second value of x to be x, that is 6 minus x equals to minus 1. So this implies that x equals to 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. Therefore, we have x to be equals to 7 to be what? To be the second what? To be the second value. So therefore, lastly, we look at the case what? Case 3. So now the case 3, when s squared plus 7s plus 12 equals to 0, that is this power, okay, I mean the power here, if the power is what is equal to 0 here, are you getting now? So therefore, you can see that the and we have 6 minus s to be the base, so it's going to be 6 minus s raised to power 0, and we are going to be having what? We are going to be having 1. So you see that the right hand side is what? Is 1. So therefore, what we are going to do now is s squared plus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. So we try to factorize this out. Now we look for the we have x here, okay, so we have x here. So we are going to be looking at the two values of what? Of factors of 12. When we add them together, when we multiply them together, we are going to be having 12. But when we add them together, we are going to be having 7. So that's going to be 4 then plus what? Plus 3 here equals to what? Equals to 0. So from here we have x plus 4 to be equal to 0, which implies that x equals to minus 4. So we have the third one. Then lastly, we have what? For x equals to x plus 3 equals to 0. This implies that x equals to minus 3. So you can see from our solvings, so we can see that we have the 4 possible values of x here that will satisfy this what? This equation here. So we have what? We have x equals to 5, x equals to 7, s equals to minus 4, and s equals to minus 3. So if you find this class very interesting, do not forget to follow our Facebook page, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, then hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload any content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.